Hey, my beautiful people. Welcome back to SoulSync. It's Dovey here, and today we're talking about things every girl secretly wishes guys just knew, without us having to spell it out. Guys, if you've ever been confused about what a girl wants or why she acts a certain way, don't worry, you're not alone. Girls aren't as complicated as you think, but there are things we really wish you understood. And ladies, let's be real. We've all had moments where we wished a guy could just read our minds. So, let's make it easier. Here are 8 things girls want guys to know. 1. If we like you, we drop hints, but we won't always say it. A lot of guys think girls are impossible to read, but if a girl likes you, she's giving you hints. The problem? They're not always obvious. She might find excuses to text you, subtly touch you while talking, or go out of her way to spend time with you. Maybe she compliments you more than other people, laughs at your jokes, even the bad ones, or suddenly starts wearing her cutest outfits around you. She's trying to give you signals without straight up confessing her feelings. So if you're waiting for her to say, "Hey, I like you," she probably won't. But if you pay attention, you'll see the signs. 2. A simple good morning or good night text means more than you think. It might seem like something small, but sending a quick good morning or good night message makes a girl feel special. It's not about writing a long paragraph. It's just about knowing you thought about her when you woke up and before you went to sleep. A simple, "Hey, hope you have a great day," or "Sweet dreams" can make her smile. It's those tiny moments of consistency that make a girl feel wanted. 3. We overthink everything, even if we don't show it. Girls notice everything: the way you text, how long you take to reply, if your energy changes even slightly. If you suddenly act distant, we will notice and start overthinking. Did I say something wrong? Did he lose interest? Is he talking to someone else? Our brains will run wild. It's not about being insecure, it's just how we process things. So if you like a girl, don't be inconsistent. If you're busy or having a bad day, just say, "Hey, I'm a little off today, but I'm good." That's all it takes to stop us from overthinking. 4. Looks matter, but effort matters more. Girls love attraction just like guys do, but it's not just about your face or body, it's about how you carry yourself. A guy who smells good, has good hygiene, dresses decently, and looks like he takes care of himself is instantly more attractive. You don't need to be a model. You just need to show effort. Also, effort isn't just about appearance, it's about how you show up in a relationship. Making plans, being thoughtful, and putting in effort in small ways makes a huge difference. 5. If we open up to you, it means we trust you. Don't take it lightly. A lot of girls don't open up easily, so if a girl is sharing her thoughts, fears, or insecurities with you, it's a big deal. When she talks about her childhood, her struggles, or things that make her emotional, she's letting you in. If you brush it off, laugh at it, or act uninterested, she'll instantly regret telling you. The best way to handle it? Just listen. You don't always have to fix things. Sometimes we just need to feel heard. If you show you care, she'll feel even closer to you. 6. We want you to notice the small things. Girls love when guys remember little details about them. It could be something as small as her favorite coffee order, the way she likes her food, the song she's obsessed with right now, a random fact she told you about her childhood. When you randomly bring up something we told you weeks ago, it makes us feel so special. It shows that you actually listen and pay attention. Trust me, it's these little things that make a girl feel truly valued. 7. We love a little jealousy, but not controlling behavior. Let's be honest, a tiny bit of jealousy can be cute. If we mention another guy and you show just a little possessiveness, it can actually be attractive. But there's a difference between cute jealousy and toxic behavior. If a guy starts controlling who we talk to, questioning us constantly, or acting insecure, it's a major turnoff. Confidence is attractive. If you trust us and don't feel the need to act controlling, it makes us trust you even more. 8. Playfulness and teasing is cute, but know where to draw the line. Flirty teasing is fun. It keeps things exciting and makes us laugh. But if a guy constantly jokes about things we're actually insecure about, it's not funny, it's hurtful. A good rule: if she laughs, it's all good. If she gets quiet or seems off, it probably wasn't funny to her. So keep the fun energy, but also be aware of when to dial it back. Girls love a guy who can tease them in a fun way, but never in a way that makes them feel bad about themselves. So, guys, this is your cheat sheet to understanding what girls really want you to know. It's not about being perfect, it's about being present, thoughtful, and aware. Small actions mean more than big words, and the little things you do can make all the difference. And ladies, what's something you wish guys just knew without you having to say it? Drop it in the comments. Let's talk about it. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to SoulSync. See you in the next one.